actually works. It's super insane, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So, hey my little birds, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins on NetBoom. So as you can see guys, we are opening up NetBoom and we're going to have unlimited coins. So as you can see, I'm pretty low, but I press this button, I can add unlimited coins because we are in the NetBoom mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get into the video. So as you can see guys, it says unlocking console. So it is going to load right there. So we're just going to give it a second for this to finish, and then we're going to be good to go. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, it says they were added, and bang, guys, there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to get free coins on NetBoom. Okay, so first thing is going to be going onto matrixmods.com. So on this site, guys, go on the search bar, and you should see the NetBoom mod. So go ahead and press download, and then the next step is going to be the verification. So during this step, we have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free from official app store, and then we'll get the free NetBoom coins. So I'm going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second, and you can see it says missing files. So we just have to download 2 of these apps, which are all free. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we got a scanner app, you know, all these dumb apps. So it doesn't matter, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps and follow the instructions. If you feel lost, press help and there's a video to watch. So that's how I get free NetBoom coins. Super cool, guys. And it actually works in 2026, and you can see right here all the buttons here. We got the anti-ban, we got the VIP mode. So this is super cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, because a lot of people are looking for ways to get free NetBoom coins, and I'm going to be the one that provides you guys with an opportunity to get free NetBoom coins. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, peace out, my gang.